Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to all of you in FFB Live Chemistry class. I hope everything is fine. हम लोग अपनी पढ़ाई जारी रखते हैं। पिछले क्लास में जो दो लेक्चर हुए हैं उसमें हमने एल्कोहल, फिनॉल एंड ईथर ये चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था। तो पहले लेक्चर में तुम लोगों ने पढ़ा इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट एल्कोहल, फिनॉल एंड ईथर और दूसरे में प्रिपरेशन ऑफ मोनोहाइड्रिक एल्कोहल। तो आज हम जब प्रिपरेशन ऑफ मोनोहाइड्रिक एल्कोहल बताया था उसी में फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एल्कोहल भी हमने डिस्कस की थी। आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करेंगे केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ मोनोहाइड्रिक एल्कोहल एंड आल्सो सम इम्पोर्टेंट रिएक्शन। Topic of today's class is reactivity of alcohol. In other words, we can say that we discuss on the chemical properties of alcohol. The hydroxyl group present in alcohol is a very reactive group, and the characteristic reactions of alcohols are the reactions of OH group. The reaction of the hydroxyl group consists of either cleavage or breaking of CO bond, C और O जो बना OH के साथ होता है, और cleavage of OH bond, as both are highly polarized with negative end of both dipoles at oxygen. Moreover, oxygen has two unshared lone pair of electron like this. तो COH इस तरह का बॉन्ड होता है। Now, oxygen is more reactive than carbon and hydrogen. तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर दोनों अपने तरफ जो इसके साथ शेयर का होता है और जो इसके साथ शेयर का उसको अपने तरफ खींच लेता है। तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, पार्शियली निगेटिव चार्ज एट ऑक्सीजन एंड पार्शियली पॉजिटिव चार्ज एट कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन. These both are known as polar bonds. Now, CO bond is weaker in case of tertiary alcohol. CO bond is weaker in case of tertiary alcohol due to plus I effect of alkyl group, क्योंकि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपने तरफ नहीं खींचता बल्कि ऑक्सीजन तो यहाँ कार्बन के ऊपर प्लस चार्ज होता है. While OH group is weaker in primary alcohol, as electron density increase between OH bond and hydrogen tend to separate as a proton. Weaker bond O और H के बीच में होता है क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन की टेंडेंसी कि अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन इसको देके ऐसे प्रोटॉन ये अलग हो जाए प्राइमरी एल्कोहल. सेकेंडरी एल्कोहल में भी यही टेंडेंसी होती है, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा किसमें, टर्शरी एल्कोहल में ये बॉन्ड यहाँ पे वीकर बॉन्ड OH होता है और यहाँ पे वीकर बॉन्ड जब टर्शरी एल्कोहल होता है तो वीकर बॉन्ड CO होता है और सेकेंडरी जो होता है ये इन दोनों के बीच की पोजीशन में होता है. Thus, primary alcohol are most reactive. This is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol are most reactive when there is cleavage of OH bond, while tertiary alcohol are most reactive when cleavage of CO bond is occur. Hence, in OH cleavage, the order of reactivity. OH cleavage होगा, OH bond में cleavage होगा, तो primary alcohol is more reactive than secondary and tertiary. और उसके बाद and in CO cleavage, the order of reactivity is tertiary is more reactive than secondary and primary. During OH cleavage, proton is given out showing that alcohol are acidic in nature. However, alcohols are weaker acids than water. This is because the alkyl group in alcohol have plus I effect. The negative charge on oxygen makes the release of proton a bit difficult. tertiary alcohol are least acidic due to maximum plus I effect of three alkyl groups. Acidic nature increase from tertiary to secondary and from secondary to primary as plus I effect decreases. Thus, the following order is followed in the acidic nature of alcohol. Methyl alcohol is more acidic than primary alcohol, and this is more than secondary, and less acidic is tertiary alcohol. In general, the reactions of alcohol may be divided into the following three categories. First is reaction involving the cleavage of oxygen hydrogen bond. This is सी ओ एच होता है, तो ओ एच बॉन्ड में जब क्लीवेज होगा ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, तो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन shows by the alcohol are reaction involving the cleavage of oxygen hydrogen bond with substitution or removal of hydrogen as proton, that is alcohol act as nucleophile. OH क्लीवेज में दिस इज एक्ट एज न्यूक्लियोफाइल, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल से ये रिएक्शन करेगा जिसपे कि क्योंकि इसके पास लॉन्ग पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, क्लीवेज होगा इसका, तो अब ये इलेक्ट्रोफाइल से रिएक्शन करता है, तो इस तरह से ROH positive ion, ROH positive ion, and then it converted into this type of species ROC plus removes hydrogen. जब OH का क्लीवेज होता है तो हाइड्रोजन एज ए प्रोटॉन रिमूव होता है. Second type of reaction, reaction involving the cleavage of carbon oxygen bond, that is CO bond, with substitution of removal of OH group. इसमें ये पूरा OH अलग हो जाता है. In this reaction, alcohols act as electrophile like this. RCH2OH reacts with hydrogen ion, it forms protonated alcohol. प्रोटॉन यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाता है. Now this protonated alcohol reacts with nucleophile and forms substitution product like this. Overall reaction is this. Thus, alcohol act both as nucleophile as well as electrophile, while phenols usually act as nucleophiles. फिनॉल्स के बारे में हमें बाद में डिस्कस करना है. नाउ थर्ड टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन शोज बाय द alcohol reaction involving cleavage of both alkyl and the hydroxyl group of alcohol molecules. तो तीन तरह के रिएक्शन होते हैं जिसको हम वन बाय वन आगे अभी डिस्कस करेंगे. उससे पहले क्या है acidic character of alcohol and water. Water is a better proton donor than alcohol, so alcohol are weak acids. Then water, Ka for the alcohol is 1 to the power minus 18, and Kw for this 1 into Kw for water 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. Alternatively, alkoxide ion is better proton acceptor. Alcohol alkoxide ion बनाता है जबकि वाटर हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन बनाता है. तो alkoxide ion is a better proton acceptor than hydroxide ion. In other words, alkoxide are stronger base than the hydroxide ion. Further, electron releasing inductive effect of the alkyl group makes the alcohol weaker acid than water. In fact, alcohols are Bronsted acids. They can donate a proton to a strong base like this. जैसे कि बेस इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट करता है उसी तरह से एल्कोहल भी, तो ये डोनेट करता है इसको, तो ये और इधर से ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर ऑक्सीजन अपने तरफ ले लेता है, तो ये क्या बनता है कंजुगेट एसिड BH and this is conjugate base. On heating an alkoxide ion with water, the starting alcohol is obtained. Here RO base alkoxide ion, R is alkyl group, एंड इट व्हेन रिएक्ट्स विद एसिड और एसिड मान लेते हैं वाटर को जब वो एसिडिक कैरेक्टर शो करता है। एच ओ एच, यहाँ ये O माइनस आयन इधर इसके साथ इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर कर रहा है, जबकि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर अपने तरफ ये ऑक्सीजन ले रहा है। Now this converted into conjugated acid. This is alcohol ROH, and OH is conjugate base. Comparison of acidic character of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. The acidic character of alcohol is due to the polar nature of OH bond. An electron releasing group are increased electron density on oxygen, tending to decrease the polarity of OH bond. This decreases the acid strength, and so the acid strength of alcohol decreases in the following order. 1 degree acidic strength जो है ये एसिड स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ एल्कोहल डिक्रीज इन द फॉलोइंग order. सबसे कम कितने होती है 3 डिग्री एल्कोहल में, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप है, और जब इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप है तो ये यहाँ से अलग होने में इसको ज़्यादा आसानी होती है। इसी तरह इसके पास सिर्फ 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप हैं और इसके पास सिर्फ 1। देन द एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ 3 डिग्री एल्कोहल इज मोर देन द 1 degree and 2nd degree alcohol. The plus I effect of alkyl group would be maximum in tertiary alcohol and minimum in primary alcohol. In other words, primary alcohols are the strongest acid and tertiary the weakest. In general, the reactions of alcohol may be divided into the following categories. तीनों कैटेगरीज अभी बताया था। रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्विंग क्लीवेज ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन with substitution or removal of hydrogen as proton, and the second type reaction involving cleavage of carbon and hydroxyl bond, yeah, C and O bond. In this reaction alcohol act as electrophile. ये रिएक्शन भी बता चुके हैं। एल्कोहल एक्ट एज बोथ, अब दोनों से क्या क्लियर हुआ, एल्कोहल both act as nucleophile as well as electrophile. The third types of reaction involving cleavage of both alkyl and the hydroxyl group of molecules. Now we can see the reactions involving the cleavage of OH bond. तो सबसे पहले हम कौन सा रिएक्शन देखेंगे इसमें कि OH bond का क्लीवेज होता है। The general order of reactivity in this type of reaction is primary is more reactive than secondary than tertiary. तो OH bond का जब क्लीवेज होगा तो tertiary alcohol is less reactive than other. The first reaction is reaction with active metal. This show the acidic nature of alcohol. Alcohol reacts with active metal like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, etc. to liberate hydrogen. The metallic compounds formed are called alkoxides or alcoholates. Alcohol reacts with sodium to form sodium alkoxide like this RONA and liberate hydrogen. For example, ethanol reacts with sodium to form sodium ethoxide and H2. Ethyl alcohol reacts with calcium to form calcium ethoxide. This is calcium ethoxide. Here C2H5O minus ion and Ca2 plus ion is present and liberate hydrogen. Like this, magnesium reacts with methyl alcohol to form magnesium methoxide, and 3 degree alcohol reacts with aluminum to form aluminum terbutoxide. Metal hydride M plus H minus or metal amide M plus NH2 minus are strong base and on reaction with alcohol also form alkoxide. Alcohol सोडियम हाइड्राइड से रिएक्ट करके सोडियम एल्कोक्साइड बनाता है। फॉर एग्जांपल एथेनॉल रिएक्ट्स विद सोडामाइड टू फॉर्म सोडियम एथोक्साइड। Now, alkoxides are extensively employed for the preparation of ether on treatment with alkyl halide, which is known as Williamson synthesis. Alcohol are not acidic enough to react with aqueous NaOH or KOH. The acidic nature of alcohol is also reflected in their reactivity towards Grignard reagent. Acidic nature represent करता है ये reaction भी. Any alcohol reacts with sodium alkoxide or Grignard reagent to it forms RH alkane and it forms ethyne when reacts with sodium alkynes. This is the Grignard reagent and this is the sodium alkynide. Then it forms ethyne, CH triple bond CH. Alcohols are stronger acid than terminal acetylenes and acidic nature is in the order. सबसे ज़्यादा एसिडिक नेचर आर एच सबसे कम होता है एच वाटर का सबसे ज़्यादा उसके बाद एल्कोहल उसके बाद एसिटिलीन फिर अमोनिया एंड देन आर एच और एल्केन. Now reaction with monocarboxylic acids. Alcohols reacts with organic acid to form esters. The process is known as esterification. It is a reversible reaction and hence it is carried out in presence of dehydrating agent like concentrate sulfuric acid or dry HCl gas which catalyze the forward reaction and also act as protonating agents like this this is organic acid reacts with alcohol in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid it forms ester and water and एसिड दूसरा एग्जाम्पल है ये दिस इज ऑर्गेनिक एसिड इसको हम इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं एंड reacts with alcohol in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid it forms this type of ester and H2O. The same reaction सिर्फ उसका लिखने का तरीका अलग. When HCl gas is used as a catalyst, the reaction is usually referred as to Fischer-Speyer esterification. Now, water is to be removed as soon as it is formed to drive the equilibrium in the forward reaction. तो वाटर अगर हम हटाते जाएंगे तो जो इक्विलिब्रियम है जो वापस फिर से ये प्रोडक्ट बन जाते हैं वाटर से रिएक्शन करेगा एथिल एसीटेट तो ये फिर से प्रोडक्ट बन जाएगा. तो अगर हम वाटर हटाते जाएंगे तो रिएक्शन इसी तरफ आगे बढ़ेगा. फॉर एल्कोहल्स मेथिल एल्कोहल इज मोर रिएक्टिव then 1 degree and then 2 degree and less reactive is 3 degree and the acids are in order. एसिड की रिएक्टिविटी इस तरह से होती है. फॉर्मिक एसिड सबसे ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव उसके बाद ये रिएक्टिविटी कम होती जाती है और लीस्ट रिएक्टिव R3CCOH. Now mechanism of the esterification. This is the important reaction of alcohol, esterification of alcohol. The esterification was confirmed by isotopic labeling. Isotopes यूज करेंगे हम ऑक्सीजन का तो इसकी रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म कंफर्म होगी. यहाँ जो एल्कोहल लिया है उसमें ऑक्सीजन किस ऑक्सीजन का यूज किया जिसका कि जो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है वो 18 है जबकि होता कितना है 17. तो दिस इज एसिड दिस इज एल्कोहल रिएक्ट्स टू फॉर्म एस्टर. तो एस्टर में 18 आ रहा है और जो H2O बन रही है उसमें ये दूसरी ऑक्सीजन जिसका कि मॉलिक्यूलर वेट 17 है उसमें हो रहा है. तो इससे पता लगेगा कि एस्टर किस तरह से इसकी मैकेनिज्म होती है. इन एस्टरिफिकेशन यानी जो हमने एल्कोहल में जो ऑक्सीजन ली है वही एस्टर में जा रही है और वाटर में जो जा रही है वो जो COO के साथ ऑक्सीजन थी वो जा रही है यानी जो एसिड में ऑक्सीजन थी वो वाटर में जा रही है. नाउ रिएक्शन विद इनऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स. Alcohols reacts with inorganic acids except halogen acid to form inorganic esters like ethyl alcohol reacts with sulfuric acid to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate. It is also written as C2H5HSO4 and plus H2O. Ethyl alcohol reacts with nitric acid to form ethyl nitrate and H2. Now acyl or reaction with acid chlorides and acid anhydride. When alcohol reacts with acid chloride or any anhydride, the hydrogen of hydroxyl group is replaced by an acyl group RCO, resulting in the formation of ester. The process is known as acylation. When the hydrogen of OH group is replaced by CH3CO, this is known as acetyl group, then process is termed acetylation. Example is this acid. This is acid chloride and ROH. In presence of base, it forms ester. Now, ethanol or ethyl alcohol reacts with acetyl chloride. This is ethanoyl chloride. IUPAC name of this. In presence of pyridine, it forms ethyl ethanoid. तो जब एसिटिल क्लोराइड से रिएक्शन हो रहा है तो रिएक्शन को क्या कहते हैं? ये अब एनहाइड्राइड से रिएक्शन होगा तो दिस इज द एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड. O से ये दोनों ग्रुप अटैच होते हैं. Reacts with ethanol in presence of pyridine, it forms ethyl ethanoate and acetic acid. The acetylation of alcohol is usually carried out in presence of a base such as pyridine or dimethyl aniline. The process of acetylation is used to protect the hydroxyl group in various reactions. The acetyl derivatives of alcohol are readily hydrolyzed to regenerate the alcohol. Another reaction is alkylation. When alcohols reacts with dialkyl sulfates, the hydrogen of the hydroxyl group is replaced by an alkyl group, resulting in formation of ether. Like this, alcohol reacts with acid, sulfate, it forms ether. This is ether and this is the hydrogen sulfate, alkyl hydrogen sulfate. तो ethyl alcohol reacts with dimethyl sulfate, ये CH3 R हो गया और whole twice. It forms ethyl methyl ether and this is the methyl hydrogen sulfate. Now, ethers can also be obtained when alkoxide or heated with alkyl halide. This is sodium ethoxide heated with alkyl halide. This is ethyl bromide. It forms diethyl ether and NADR. This reaction is termed Williamson synthesis. Now, reaction involving the cleavage of COH. The order of reactivity in this types of reaction is tertiary alcohol is more reactive than secondary, and then this is more reactive than primary alcohol. Now, reaction with hydrogen halides. Halogen acid reacts with alcohol to form alkyl halides. The reactivity of halogen acid in the order of HI is more reactive than HBr and HCl. And the reactivity of ROH, alcohol, is in the order of allyl alcohol, benzyl alcohol is more reactive than 3 degree. अब 3 degree alcohol इनमें सबसे ज़्यादा reactive और 1 degree सबसे कम. The reaction follows a nucleophilic substitution reaction like this. ROH alcohol, this is halogen acid. In presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, when heated, it forms haloalkane and H2O. तो haloalkane में ये reaction पढ़ा है. Now, ethyl alcohol means 1 degree alcohol reacts with HCl gas in presence of zinc chloride. This is taken as anhydrous and heated, it forms ethyl chloride and water. Now, 2 degree alcohol reacts with HCl in presence of this to form 2-chloropropane. In case of higher alcohol, an intermediate is 2 degree carbocation that can change to a more stable 3 degree carbocation by 1,2 hydride shift like this. This is the higher alcohol. 2-methyl butane 2-ol reacts with acid, it forms अनस्टेबल कंपाउंड बनता है. उसके बाद ये वाटर लूज करके 2 डिग्री कार्बोकेटाइन बनाता है जो कि लेस स्टेबल होता है और 1,2 हाइड्राइड शिफ्ट से ये कन्वर्ट हो जाता है 3 डिग्री carbocation. This is more stable. Now this 3-degree carbocation reacts with bromide ion to form this product 2-bromo 2-methyl bromine. तो ओवरऑल रिएक्शन इस तरह से है. The reaction of 1-degree and 2-degree alcohol with HCl gas is in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride is called Grove's method. However, with tertiary alcohol, no such catalyst is required. तो कैटलिस्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, यहाँ पे ये रूम टेम्परेचर पे रिएक्शन हो जाता है. This is the tertiary alcohol. Reacts with concentrate HCl at room temperature to form 2-chloro 2-methyl propane. This is the ethyl alcohol reacts with HBr से जब रिएक्शन होता है in presence of concentrate H2SO4 it forms bromoethane. An ethyl alcohol when reacts with hydrogen iodide and heat it forms iodoethane. If, however, alcohol is heated with concentrate HI and red phosphorus, it converted into LK. This is HI, red phosphorus के presence में heat करते हैं तो ethane बनता है plus iodine liberate होती है and water. Now reaction with phosphorus halides. Alcohol reacts with phosphorus pentahalides and phosphorus trihalides to yield alkyl halide. फास्फोरस पेंटाहेलाइड से रिएक्शन करता है अल्कोहल तो बनता है एल्किल हैलाइड एंड फास्फोरस एसिड और पेंटाऑक्साइड से रिएक्शन करता है तो बनता है आरएक्स एंड फास्फोरस ऑक्सीहैलाइड्स एंड एचएक्स. एग्जांपल alcohol reacts with phosphorus pentachloride it forms chloroethane and phosphorus acid. And ethanol reacts with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, it forms chloroethane and phosphorus oxychloride and HCl. Generally, in place of PBr, phosphorus trichromide, red phosphorus and bromine can be used. Similarly, in place of Pi3, red phosphorus and iodine can be used. 1-degree and 2-degree alcohols react with pH3 below room temperature by SN2 mechanism. Hence, no rearrangement product is formed. 3-degree alcohol gives SN1 mechanism. Now, ethanol reacts with red phosphorus and bromine. It forms bromoethane and phosphorus acid. Ethanol, 1-degree alcohol, reacts with phosphorus and iodine. It forms iodoethane and phosphorus acid. And 2-degree alcohol reacts with phosphorus tribromide. This is the SN2 mechanism. It forms 2-bromobutane. And 3-degree alcohol is proceed with SN1 reaction mechanism. React with Pi3. It forms tert-butyl iodide and phosphorus acid. Now reaction with thionyl chloride. Alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine to form chloroalkanes of higher purity because the other product of the reactions are gases. तो ये निकल जाती हैं gases. Alcohol reacts with sulfonyl chloride in presence of pyridine. It forms RCl and SO2 and HCl gas is removed easily. Ethanol reacts with sulfonyl chloride in presence of pyrimidine. In presence of pyridine, it forms chloroethane and sulfur dioxide and HCl gas form is removed. 2-degree alcohol reacts with this in presence of pyridine. It forms 2nd-degree haloalkane and sulfur dioxide and HCl, and like this 3-degree alcohol forms R3CCl and 3-degree haloalkane. Now reaction with ammonia. This is the important reaction. Alcohol reacts with alcoholic solution of ammonia when their vapors are passed over heated alumina or thoria catalyst at 633 Kelvin to form a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Reaction is like this. ROH reacts with ammonia, it forms primary amine and reaction is proceed with ROH, it forms secondary amine and it proceed with again ROH, it forms tertiary. Example, ethyl alcohol reacts with ammonia in presence of alumina at this temperature. It forms ethylamine. This is first degree amine. Now ethylamine reacts again ethyl alcohol in presence of alumina, and at this temperature is formed 2-ethyl diethylamine, that is 2 degree amine, and this 2 degree amine reacts again with ethyl alcohol to form triethyl amine or 3 degree amine. Now reaction involving both the cleavage of alkyl and hydroxyl group, यानी ROH जो होता है इसके क्लीवेज से जो रिएक्शन होते हैं, अब उसके बारे में देखते हैं. Acidic dehydration, that is formation of alkene. The elimination of water from a compound is known as dehydration. When an alcohol is heated with concentrate H2SO4 or phosphoric acid or phosphorus pentaoxide or boron trifluoride or phosphorus oxychloride or pyridine or dry HCl or potassium hydrogen sulfate or boric acid at 443 Kelvin or alumina and 633 Kelvin, it forms an alkene. The reaction is this. Ethanol reacts with H2SO4, it forms ethene. This is the overall reaction. And propane 1-ol reacts with concentrate H2SO4, it forms propane. Now 2-methyl propane 2-ol tertiary alcohol reacts with phosphoric acid at 358 Kelvin, it forms 2-methyl propane. Butane 2-ol reacts heated at with H2SO4, it forms butene. And this is 3,3-dimethyl butane 2-ol reacts with H2SO4 to form 2,3-dimethyl butene. This is due to 1,2-methyl shift. In case of secondary and tertiary alcohol, Zeff's rule is followed and the case of dehydration of alcohol is in the order. Tertiary reacts more reactive in this case than the primary. Now, alcohol can also be dehydrated by passing vapors of alcohol over alumina at 523 to 633 Kelvin. Ethanol पास करते हैं रेड हॉट एल्यूमिना पर, तो ये एथीन में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. इसी तरह एथेनॉल को 523 डिग्री पे पास करने पे ये एथॉक्सी एथेन बनाता है. तो ज़्यादा हीट करने पे एथनीन में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है और टेम्परेचर 100 डिग्री से कम रखने पे एथोक्सिल इथेन यानी ईथर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. इसी तरह ब्यूटेन 2-ol एल्युमिनियम से रिएक्शन एल्यूमिना के साथ रेड हॉट करने पे बनाता है ब्यूट 2-ene. दिस इज द मेजर प्रोडक्ट. द रिएक्शन बिटवीन एथिल अल्कोहल एंड concentrate sulfuric acid. Important reaction है. The reaction between ethyl alcohol and concentrate sulfuric acid is interesting as different products are obtained at different temperature. At 383 Kelvin, that is 110 degrees centigrade, ethyl alcohol combined with H2SO4 to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate like this. When ethyl hydrogen sulfate, this is ethyl hydrogen sulfate, is heated under reduced pressure, it forms diethyl sulfate like this. This is the reaction. When ethyl hydrogen sulfate is heated at 443 Kelvin, that is 170 degrees centigrade, with excess of concentrate sulfuric acid, ethene is formed like this. When ethyl hydrogen sulfate is heated with excess of alcohol at 413, that is 140 degree, and ether is formed. So different product different temperature पे मिलते हैं. The reaction of ethyl alcohol with concentrate H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin may be directly written as ethyl alcohol in presence of is heated with sulfuric acid at 113 Kelvin or 140 degrees centigrade, it forms ether, ethoxyethane. Methanol gives reaction with concentrate H2SO4 similar to ethanol, except the reaction second, that is, methane is not formed. Now, mechanism of dehydration. Dehydration of alcohol involves the formation of carbocation as an intermediate. The reaction is believed to occur in three steps. In first step, due to presence of two lone pair of electrons on uh, oxygen, alcohols act as weak base, as you know. Therefore, they react with strong mineral acid, H2SO4 or HCl, to form protonated alcohol, which is known as oxonium ion, like this. प्रोटोनेशन होता है इसका, इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर इधर शिफ्ट होता है और यहाँ पे इस पे प्लस चार्ज आ जाता है. दिस इज द प्रोटोनेटेड इथेनॉल, ये भी जुड़ जाता है आकर के. तो इस तरह का जो स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म होता है फर्स्ट स्टेप में, वो कहलाता है प्रोटोनेटेड इथेनॉल. नाउ इन स्टेप 2, the presence of positive charge on highly electronegative oxygen atom weaken the CO bond. As a result, the protonated ethanol breaks the eliminates. As a result, the protonated ethanol breaks and eliminate a molecule of water to form ethyl carbocation, like this. इस तरह से ये ब्रेक होता है और ये CH3C प्लस यानी एथिल कार्बोकैटायन बनता है. दिस स्टेप इज स्लो and hence it is the rate determining step. Step third, finally the carbocations, being unstable and a reactive chemical species, readily lose a hydrogen ion to yield alcohol, like this. इस तरह से लूज करता है ये हाइड्रोजन को और फिर ये CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2 फॉर्म होता है. So CH3CH2OH reacts with H plus to form first this and then this, and after overall reaction last में क्या बनता है ethylene. Similarly, propanol gives propene, but butane 1 all produce butene as the major product and but1ene as the minor product. Like reaction is like this, but1 on प्रोटोनेशन होता है पहले इसका, तो दिस इज द प्रोटोनेटेड एल्कोहल, ये प्रोटॉन यहाँ ऐड हो गया. इट लूजेस हाइड्रोजन टू फॉर्म 1 डिग्री कार्बोकैटायन, जिसका कि 1 to हाइड्राइड शिफ्ट होता है इस तरह से, तो ये बना लेता है मोर स्टेबल 2 डिग्री कार्बोकैटायन. नाउ दिस लूजेस hydrogen ion and forms but2ene. This is the major product, and but1ene, this is minor product. Now another reaction, dehydrogenation, that is action of hot copper. Primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols differ in their behavior when the vapors are passed over hot reduced copper at 573 Kelvin, that is T100 degree. Now, a primary alcohol loses hydrogen and forms an aldehyde, like this. This is primary alcohol. Heated with copper at 573, it forms ethanol, that is acetaldehyde, and liberated hydrogen. A secondary alcohol loses hydrogen and forms ketone. This is secondary alcohol, lose hydrogen and forms ketone. The reaction, that is propane 2 on, heated with copper, it forms propanone, this is acetone. A tertiary alcohol, however, undergoes dehydration to form alkene. This is the tertiary alcohol, heated with copper, and it forms 2-methyl prop-1ene. This is isobutylene. This property is utilized to distinguish between primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. Now, oxidation. The nature of oxidation products depend on whether the alcohol is primary, secondary, or tertiary. The oxidizing agents usually implied are acidified potassium dichromate, acidified alkaline potassium permanganate, or dilute nitric acid. A primary alcohol is readily oxidized to an aldehyde and then to an acid, both containing the same number of carbon atom as the original alcohol. CH2OH group is first converted into CHO, that is aldehyde group, which is in turn is converted into COOH group like this. 1 degree alcohol when reacts with acidified potassium dichromate, it forms aldehyde, and when oxidation takes place, it forms carboxylic acid. The reaction like this, इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. पहले ऑक्सीडेशन होता है अल्कोहल का तो एल्डिहाइड में कन्वर्ट होता है, फिर ऑक्सीडेशन होता है तो एसिटिक एसिड में बदल जाता है. तो दोनों ही तीनों ही प्रोडक्ट में कार्बन के एटम कितने हैं? दो. The oxidation can, however, be stopped at the aldehyde stage if chromium reagents such as Collins reagent CrO3.2C2H5 and chromium trioxide pyridine complex and pyridium chlorochromate, this is known as PCC, and pyridium dichromate, सारे ये reagents के नाम दिए हुए हैं. In anhydrous medium आर यूज एज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. तब प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? इस तरह के रिएजेंट अगर यूज किए जाएंगे तो एल्कोहल से सीधे ये एल्डिहाइड बनेगा, आगे का रिएक्शन नहीं होगा. नाउ जॉन्स रिएजेंट, ए सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्रोमियम oxide in H2SO4 and aqueous acetone is known as John's reagent. It is a very selective oxidizing agent used to oxidize allylic or benzylic 1 degree or 2 degree alcohol to corresponding alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes and ketone without attacking double or triple bond like this. In this reaction, acrolein is formed. Now, in case of secondary alcohol, when oxidized with acidified potassium dichromate gives ketone containing the same number of carbon atom as the alcohol like this. For example, this is the isopropyl alcohol, contains the 3 carbon atom. When oxidized with acidified potassium dichromate, it forms acetone. Here number of carbon is 3 in both reactant and product. Ketones are difficult to be oxidized, but on prolonged action of oxidizing agent, these are oxidized to carboxylic acid or a mixture of acid, each containing lesser number of carbon atoms than the ketone or original alcohol. Ketone, when oxidized, it forms acetic acid. 3 कार्बन है, यहाँ पे 2 कार्बन हो जाता है, एक एक कार्बन कम होता जा रहा है. एंड देन दिस फॉर्म द, और हीट करने पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और H2O में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. This oxidation can be stopped at the ketone stage by using chromic anhydride. In case of unsymmetrical ketone means CO ग्रुप से दो अलग तरह के एल्किल ग्रुप जुड़े होंगे, then it is called unsymmetrical ketone. The splitting of ketonic chain take place according to Poff's rule, which states that during oxidation of the ketone, the carbonyl group always remains attached to a smaller alkyl group. यानी कार्बोनिल ग्रुप जो है वो स्मॉलर एल्किल ग्रुप से जुड़ा रह जाएगा जब ये ब्रेक होगा. यहाँ पे जब ये ऑक्सीडेशन होगा इसका, तो क्या बनेगा इससे रिएक्शन होने पे? पेंटेन टू ऑल. व्हेन ऑक्सीडेशन टेक्स प्लेस इट फॉर्म्स एथेनोइक एसिड, तो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप CH3 ग्रुप से अटैच है. एंड सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट इज प्रोपेनोइक एसिड. इसी तरह एग्जांपल एथिल ब्यूटिल कीटोन, यहाँ छोटा ग्रुप ये है एल्किल ग्रुप, जिससे कि CO ग्रुप जो है अटैच होगा. दो प्रोडक्ट बनेंगे, प्रोपियोनिक एसिड एंड ब्यूटेरिक एसिड. A tertiary alcohol having no oxidizable hydrogen linked to carbon atom bearing hydroxyl group is stable to oxidation in neutral or alkaline KMnO4 solution. However, under drastic oxidation with potassium dichromate NH2SO4 or potassium permanganate NH2SO4 at high temperature, the carbon chain is ruptured and mixture of ketones and acid are formed, both having fewer number of carbon atom than original alcohol like this. This is 2-methyl propane 2-all. When reacts with concentrate HNO3, it forms 2-methyl propene, that is isobutene. When oxidized, it loses carbon dioxide and water and forms acetone. Overall reaction is this इस तरह से. Now acetone, for example, acetone when oxidized to form acetic acid and carbon dioxide and water, and 2-methylbutene forms. First, it forms 2-methylbutene when on oxidation gives this forms is the acetone and acetic acid. Now, reaction with bleaching powder. When the mixture of ethyl alcohol and bleaching powder is heated, chloroform is formed. The conversion occurs in 3 steps. Bleaching powder brings oxidation in first step, chlorination in second step, and hydrolysis in third step, जो कि फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म में पढ़ा है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में ब्लीचिंग पाउडर से रिएक्शन होता है ऑक्सीडेशन, तो एसेट एंड कैल्शियम क्लोराइड एंड वाटर बनता है. इन सेकेंड स्टेप दिस एसेट रिएक्ट्स विद bleaching powder. This is the chlorination and form chloral and COH. And third step hydrolysis takes place with the calcium hydroxide जो यहाँ बनता है क्लोरल के साथ. तो ये क्या बनाता है क्लोरोफॉर्म एंड कैल्शियम फॉर्मेट. नाउ हैलोफॉर्म रिएक्शन. Ethyl alcohol when heated with iodine and sodium hydroxide or aqueous sodium carbonate forms a yellow crystalline solid iodoform. Ethyl alcohol, iodine, NaOH. When heated, it forms iodoform. This is the yellow crystalline solid of iodoform. उसके अलावा सोडियम आयोडाइड सोडियम फॉर्मेट बनता है. दिस रिएक्शन लाइक प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म आल्सो ऑकर्स इन 3 स्टेप. फर्स्ट ऑक्सीडेशन, एल्डिहाइड बना. सेकेंड आयोडीनेशन, ऑडल बना. देन हाइड्रोलिसिस विद NaOH forms iodoform. Now methyl alcohol does not respond to the iodoform test. This iodoform test is exhibited by ethyl alcohol, acetaldehyde, acetone, methyl ketones, those alcohols which possess CH3CHOH group. Acetophenone, alpha hydroxy propionic acid, keto acid, and 2 amino alkanes spectra. In place of iodine, bromine or chlorine can be taken when the corresponding compounds, bromoform or chloroform, are to be formed. This reaction in general known as haloform reactions. When bromine reacts with alcohol and NaNH, it forms bromoform, and when chlorine reacts with alcohol and NaOH, it forms chloroform. एंड साथ में सेम प्रोडक्ट बनता है सोडियम फॉर्मेट और वाटर. नाउ रिएक्शन विद एसेटल्डिहाइड इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ड्राई हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड ethyl alcohol combined with acetaldehyde forming amiacetal and acetal. Acetaldehyde, ethyl alcohol, ड्राई HCl गैस 373 केल्विन पे बनाता है ये. दिस इज दी हेमी hemiacetal. When reacts again ethyl alcohol, it forms acetal. This is diethoxy ethane. तो ethoxy इस तरह से ग्रुप लगे हैं. Now these are the some important reactions of ethyl alcohol. तो बहुत से important reaction तुम देखे और सारे ही reaction जहाँ तक मैं समझती हूँ सारे रिएक्शन इंटरेस्टिंग है, उसको एक बार जब लिख करके नोट करके याद करना शुरू करोगे, या बार बार इसको देख करके भी याद हो सकता है कि पहले देखते जाओ, 3-4 बार देख, फिर याद हो जाएगा, फिर उसको कॉपी में लिखो तो पूरी तरीके से याद हो जाएगा।